Hi, special friends. Welcome to Mrs. Ashlee's Learning Emporium, where we read, write, learn, and play. I'm Mrs. Ashlee. Today, we are going to do a fun science experiment with balloons. Let's see if we can blow some balloons up with these household items. Because this week you heard my story, Niko and the Trouble Bubble, read by one of my special friends. And because we're special friends, I have to make sure that we always have some extra fun. Today we're going to do a science experiment. And for our science experiment, are you ready? We're going to use balloons! We'll be using balloons to do something really fun. I have balloons, but I also have vinegar. I have baking soda. No, we're not making vinegar cookies, special friend. You're so silly. We're gonna do something different. We have a pop bottle, and we have another cool little bottle I had lying around. We are going to see if we can use vinegar and baking soda in bottles to blow up these balloons. Now, because this is a science experiment, we'll have to try it a couple of different ways. I'm going to try to see how many balloons we can blow up in our big bottle and our little bottle. Are you ready to get started? I am too. Oh, I think I heard a special friend ask a question, and it was a very great one. That's a wonderful question, special friend. If this works, we have to see if it works. Why does it work? Well, when you add vinegar and baking soda together, it produces a chemical reaction. Yes, we see lots of bubbles, but it also creates a reaction where we make carbon dioxide. And if we create enough of a reaction, that carbon dioxide will inflate our balloons. I'm ready to get started. Are you? Should we do our big bottle or small bottle first? Okay, small bottle it is. I have measuring cups here, but I'm not actually measuring. I'm just gonna try it out. And it's okay if I make a mess because I have a tablecloth here. If you're doing this experiment at home, special friends, make sure you pick an area you don't mind getting messy and that you have your parents' permission. So here's our first bottle. Not a ton of baking soda. And I think I should do something else. I think I should make sure my balloon, and it does, will fit over the bottle mouth. I'm feeling very nervous, but also very excited. Here we go. Oh, not so much. Oh, I got a little bit. Let's add some more vinegar. It's working, special friends. So I'll leave that one there. I think for our next one, something I didn't do was I didn't stretch our balloons out first. And even if you're blowing up balloons, I think stretching them out seems to help them expand quicker. So let's see, we're gonna do our big bottle and we're gonna add lots of baking soda and vinegar to see if we can make that reaction last longer. I think this is pretty cool though. Maybe from now on, I'll just use baking soda and vinegar to blow up my balloons for my parties. How about you? And I don't think Mrs. Ashlee picked the right tool for this, but that's okay. All right. And I might need more baking soda, but we'll see. So purple is my favorite color. I'm hoping because purple is my favorite color that this will work and blow an even bigger balloon than the black one. And this one is working too. But it seemed that we had a longer reaction, but we have a lot of space in this bottle. Should we use the smaller bottle and see if we can get a longer reaction? I think so too. So here's our purple one. I am going to add, special friends, I can actually feel the carbon dioxide going into this balloon. Isn't that cool? I have another balloon I'm going to use. I'm going to use our light blue balloon. And Niko in the Trouble Bubble. We watched Niko blow up bubbles, but now we're using balloons. Do you remember what color the Trouble Bubble was? Yes, light blue, just like our balloon. So let's see. I think we need a better tool for our baking soda. I'm going to try, I'm going to try a half teaspoon. And I'm going to add more because it's okay if I get a little bit messy. We are in the Learning Emporium after all. So that's 1 full teaspoon. And I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna add another half teaspoon of baking soda. And now I'm going to try to have my balloon a little bit more ready. All right, let's see. Are you ready, special friends? Let's count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! And we made a huge mess. But our balloon is blowing. Let's see. It's kind of blowing up. Do you see what's on our balloon? You got it, a smiley face, just like the Trouble Bubble. And it's still trying to blow up. Now, special friends, every now and again, something happens. And you realize you need a little bit of help. I think Mrs. Ashlee needs a little bit of help because before we can get the balloon on the bottle, all the gas is already escaping. So I'm going to call in my special friend, Mr. Evan. Are you ready? Will you call him with me? Mr. Evan! There he is. Hi, Mr. Evan. Will you help me? Do you want to pour the vinegar or do you want to add the balloon?
Pour the vinegar.
Mr. Evan wants to pour the vinegar. All right, Mr. Evan, are you ready?
Ready.
Here we go. More. Okay. And we've got it. How cool is that? So it seems we need a bigger bottle and we need an extra set of hands. Do you want to try this one more time? Maybe if you tell me your favorite color, I'll have that balloon. We have orange. We have pink. We have yellow. Yellow? Yellow like the sun. Good job. Let's try again with yellow. But this time, I'm going to have Mr. Evan help me again. All right. So let's take our red balloon, which was our most successful balloon, off of here. Oh, let's see. There we go. And now we're going to add more baking soda. And we're going to have Mr. Evan, our yellow balloon. We're going to add a lot this time to see if we can get a really big reaction. And Mrs. Ashlee forgot that fast. Mr. Evan is great at pouring the vinegar. So this time we're going to do it like we did last time. Mr. Evan, can I have that yellow balloon back? Thank you. And I'm going to stretch this one out, Mr. Evan, because we want to make sure that our balloon can expand the best that it can. All right, are you ready, special friends? Let's count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2. You ready, Mr. Evan? 1. I think our yellow balloon is getting even bigger than our red. I really enjoyed doing this experiment with you, special friends. If you can get your balloon even bigger than Mrs. Ashlee, please send me a picture at mrsashleechesney@gmail. See you next time, special friends. And I think our balloon is still going. Thanks for coming to Mrs. Ashlee's Learning Emporium. See you next time, special friends.